I'm Tara. I'm the owner of Elle Bleu, and today we are trying on the lovely Chelsea You Later Bootie. It's by Chinese Laundry. It's one of my favorite booties. Comes in this gorgeous black with a cute trim to offset it, and it has a stretchy gore, so easy to put on. You just slip it on. It has a 3.5-inch heel with a 1-inch platform, and they are super comfortable, super easy to walk in. They're made with all man-made material, so they will do well with wear, no staining, and they have a good traction on the bottom. So it is true to size. This is seriously such a cute bootie to add to your wardrobe. Check them out on our website and follow us on Instagram and our YouTube channel for more shoes.